Hello. Welcome to Casual Talk English. Here you will learn real English through simple, everyday conversations. No grammar pressure, no textbooks, just natural English you can actually use. Let's talk and learn together.
Hey, good morning.
Morning, Jordan. You sound sleepy.
Yeah, very sleepy. I think my brain is still in bed.
Same here. I woke up, but my soul is still sleeping.
That makes sense. By the way, before we forget, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Kylie. Nice to meet everyone watching.
Yeah, thanks for joining us today.
We're just two roommates talking in the morning, trying to wake up.
Trying is the right word. So, Kylie, how is your morning going so far?
Let me think. I'll look around, think for a moment. It's okay. Not great. Not bad.
That sounds like a normal morning.
Exactly. I woke up late, then I rushed to the bathroom, and then no hot water.
Oh no, no hot water is painful.
Very painful. I just stood there like stares into space. Why is life like this?
I'm sorry, but that's kind of funny.
It's okay. Now it's funny. At that moment, it was not funny.
I get that. This morning, I dropped my phone. On my face.
On your face?
Yeah. I was checking messages in bed, then boom, right on my nose.
Oh, wow. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. But my phone is very heavy in the morning.
Everything feels heavier in the morning.
True. So, Kylie, did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I went to bed late.
Why?
I was watching videos, and then one more, and then one more.
Ah, the one more video trap.
Yes, very dangerous.
Same. I told myself, just 5 minutes. But 5 minutes became 1 hour.
Our phones control us.
Sadly, yes.
Pause, looks around kitchen. Do you want coffee?
Yes, please. I really need coffee.
Pretends to be serious. I also need coffee to become a human again.
Coffee is magic.
Making coffee sounds. So, milk or no milk?
Milk, please. And a little sugar.
Okay, coming right up.
Thank you, roommate.
You're welcome, roommate.
You know, mornings with a roommate are interesting.
Yeah, sometimes quiet, sometimes loud.
Sometimes awkward.
Very awkward.
Like when you walk into the kitchen and you both stop and you don't know who speaks first.
Yes, that happens all the time.
Or when one person is happy and the other person is grumpy.
Smiles. I think I'm the grumpy one.
This morning, yes.
Fair.
But that's okay. Mornings are hard.
They are. I need time in the morning. I need quiet. I need slow.
Same. I don't like fast mornings.
Do you remember our first week living together?
Oh, wow, yes.
That was interesting.
Very interesting. We were so polite.
Too polite. Like, you go first. No, you go first.
Now we're like, move, I need coffee.
True friendship.
In true roommate life.
Do you usually talk in the morning, or do you like silence?
I like a little talking, not too much.
Same. Just simple things, like, how did you sleep? Or, do we have bread?
Or who used all the milk?
Pretends to look guilty. Not me.
Sure,
Okay, maybe me.
it's fine. Milk disappears fast.
Hands coffee. Here you go.
Takes cup. Oh, wow. Thank you.
Take a sip.
Sips? That's good.
See? Life is better now.
Much better. I can think again.
Coffee saves mornings.
Do you eat breakfast in the morning?
Sometimes. Not always.
Same. I'm usually not hungry early.
Yeah. My stomach wakes up later than my body.
That's a good way of saying it.
What about weekends?
Weekends are different. I wake up late, I eat a big breakfast,
Pancakes?
pancakes, eggs, everything.
Nice. Weekends feel slower.
And happier.
Yeah. Weekday mornings feel like a race.
A slow race.
Yes, a very slow race.
Do you remember that morning when the fire alarm went off?
Oh my gosh, yes.
That was scary.
I woke up so fast.
Same. I was confused. I thought I was dreaming.
I was wearing two different socks.
Classic morning look.
That morning was not calm.
No, but now it's kind of a funny memory.
Yeah, we laughed about it later.
I think morning talks like this are important.
I agree.
Even short talks, they help us connect.
And they make living together easier.
You learn about each other.
Like habits.
And moods.
And coffee needs.
Very important.
Some mornings are quiet, some are busy, some are funny.
But they're all part of life.
Yeah, real life.
I like mornings like this. Simple. Warm coffee, small talk.
Me too. It feels safe.
And comfortable.
You know, living with a roommate teaches you patience.
Definitely.
And kindness.
And how to share space.
Even when you're tired.
Especially when you're tired. So, what's your plan for today?
Work, then maybe a walk later.
Nice. I'll work too. And try not to nap.
Good luck.
Thanks. I'll need it.
All right, I think I'm ready for the day.
Me too. At least a little.
That's enough.
Yeah, one step at a time.
So, to everyone watching,
Mornings don't have to be perfect.
they can be slow
A little messy.
and still good,
A simple talk can change your mood.
especially with someone you live with.
Thanks for spending this morning with us.
We hope you have a calm day.
And a good cup of coffee.
See you next time.
Bye.
Like
Share.
and subscribe.